Yep. I'm not sure what brand, but got it on airratlle. Airsoft knife, rubber blade. Uh, it still kind of hurts when you stab people, but well, only if you hit them like right in the chest, knock the wind out of them sometimes. Oh shit. Phew. Oh, okay, there we go. When you slice, it doesn't hurt. Comes with a, not sure how you pronounce it, shelf. Well, right here, put it through your belt. These straps here. Put it on like that. I normally hook this onto my vest, so that way it doesn't wobble from right here. Hook it with here too. It's not gonna move much. And that's it.